Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Honor Pad X9 just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate, huge display, Snapdragon processor, 6 speakers, huge battery and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor Pad X9, a budget tablet. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The version I have is a 8128 model and it comes in a mint color scheme. But in the UK only grey color option is available. There are two other versions available, 6128 and 8256. And they come in 3 different color options in other region, grey, purple and mint. Now let's set aside the main body of the tablet and focus on the accessories. We have a data cable that connected type A to type C and there is also an instruction manual. The charger provided is rated as a 5 watt and 2 amperes, which means it has a power output of 10 watt. Considering the price, a 10 watt charger is acceptable. Now let's move on to exploring the features of the tablet itself. The back of the tablet has a right angle border design with a subtle cutaway, giving it a sleek appearance. The entire back is made of metal except the area where the lens module is placed. The back is fingerprint free and the feels smooth to the touch, providing a silky sensation. The lens module design is similar to the previous Honor V8 Pro, featuring a mirror-like design. However, unlike the V8 Pro, this tablet doesn't have a flash. One notable change is the inclusion of the 6 speakers layout, which is quite unique for the tablet. There are 2 speakers at the bottom, 2 on the side and 2 more, making a total of 6 openings. The speaker arrangement is not commonly seen in the tablets. Now let's power on the tablet and explore the screens and system features. The Honor Pad X9 features a 11.5-inch LCD screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz and the screen resolution is 1200 by 2000 pixels, offering clear and sharp visuals. The screen also supports intelligent refresh rate adjustments, meaning it can automatically adapt the frame rate based on the content being displayed, although this feature consumes less battery. The screen quality is exceptional and visibly superior compared to the other product in the same price range. The tablet has thickness of 6.9 mm and the weight around 500 grams, making it relatively lightweight for its price range. It feels comfortable to hold and doesn't strain your hand, which is ideal for a tablet focused on audio and video entertainment. The Honor Pad X9 is powered by Snapdragon 685 processor, which provides a satisfactory performance for the daily use. However, when it comes to the high rendering game like Honor of King, you may experience some noticeable frame drop and the stuttering issue. Nevertheless, these gaming limitations are not a big concern since the tablet is primarily designed for the clean and reliable audio and video entertainment. The Honor Pad X9 comes with a Magic OS 7.1 system and support Honor's intelligent interconnection, multi-screen collaboration and a smart multi-screen features. These special functions allow for seamless connectivity and enhanced productivity, although I don't have access to all the features without additional Honor devices. I did receive the Honor X9 Smart Bluetooth keyboard, which is convenient accessories for the office work. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth and doesn't require physical contact with the tablet. When the keyboard runs out of the battery, it needs to be charged using a data cable. To use it, you simply snap the tablet into the keyboard's buckle, which has a magnetically attached the hole securely in the place. The keyboard is comfortable to use and provide a satisfactory typing experience. However, the pivot point at the back may feel a bit too far, causing the screen to bounce when tapping it in book form. Despite this minor inconveniences, I choose to overlook this issue and appreciate its overall functionality. The price of this pad in UK is £179.9. You get a buying link in the description section. Based on my experience using the Honor Pad X9, I find it to be suitable for the activities like watching drama and basic office tasks. If you are a college student or someone looking for a tablet primary use for entertainment and not taking purpose, I would recommend it considering the Honor Pad X9. Unless you have a specific requirement or needs, this tablet should sufficient. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. And I will see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta